Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. Today I would like to share with you my another TN. This I will make for I'll make this for my best friend. For her birthday and on March. Coming on March 31st. So I must make this for her. And I print this in the. Let me to show you what kind of the paper that I use to print on this image. I use this kind of the brown paper. So you get this out, and you can see the stripe here. My printer, something wrong with my printer. You can see all. If you go closer, you can see all the stripe here. I have to change my printer again. Let's print out all the stripe. So this like so, and I ordered this one. And this is the inside. You can see the brown with the black. Turned out so elegant. I love this color came out. So and my friend she likes black and white, so I make this in the black and white theme. So this is inside the box, the bottom. Okay, this is the box, and this is the book. Let me to show you. And I hung this here. I make this one acrylic flower. Okay, so and this is the back. Okay, and I make it her very simple, so she can write or put some more thing inside the book. This is a card pocket that I made, a birthday card. Happy birthday, beautiful. So everything is laminate. Like first cut out the rose, also laminate. Beautiful, like so. Okay, here's a pocket, so put this in. So, and this is, you can see, you can see closer, that's right. So, you can see, don't know what happened. You can see, I fussy cut. No, I use the Master Stewart punch. You punch the edges here, make the pocket. So you can put, you can put something inside. And the cover, all the cover inside also laminate. And also have the pocket. Another, you can see, this one also another Master Stewart punch. And here, another pocket. This one. And I print this to her. Just a strong friendship doesn't need daily conversation or being together, as long as the relationship lives in the heart. True friends never part. I believe this is so true, because all of us, I know, sometimes we don't have the time to chat, because everyone also have their own thing to busy to work. So I believe strong friendship never part, even don't have the time to conversation, make the just want to share with her. And another rose, another pocket here, and this is the another paper. And I print all this paper, get all this wallpaper from Pinterest. So match with this color, black, white. Another pocket here. So let me print this one, black and white, and this pocket. Beautiful Sunday. So, and I make a bookmark. So use this Master Stewart punch, and I clip this heart. Clip. I forget who gave me this. I believe, Linda or Leonie, someone, the color is matched with this theme and the bookmark. You can see I hung this here, gem. And I want to print the picture from both of us, but I haven't chosen the perfect photo for this book. Another card that I make this, and the pen also I use the black and white pen. Another pocket here, and I just use this clip, the clip here, the pen you can see I just hung here. Open up another beautiful paper. This with the some pink. Another pocket here, and punch this, make a pattern. So glass, and I print out this here both sides, and yeah, just some note for her to write, and the big clip. So just just a very simple and fun book. And yeah, I have to mention again, all this is followed Bruna tutorial, so you can check her out if you haven't tried to make any traveling book. So you have to check it out. And where's the heart? So I didn't include this because yes, you can use this as a clip. Also can use this like so to clip this here. Okay, and show you really, and this is plain. And I think I have to put the calendar in here, the sticker at the pocket. And this is the last page, and transparent pocket. Here's it back, so you can use to put something in. And another pocket here. Okay, and so yeah, this is the book, and I do really hope she will like this, and she can write something, and also like a journal book, or you can use this as a traveler notebook when she travels, whatever she like. So and yeah, this is my latest notebook, and I also will make another color theme for my younger sister. Her birthday is on May, so I still have much time to create something unique and different color for her. So yeah, thanks again for everyone for stopping by to my channel. If you like this color theme notebook, please leave me a comment and let me know what you think, and give me a big thumbs up if you like this. And thanks again for everyone for subscribe and share, and bye bye.